This is a control unit. This unit is the part when the computer is plugged in, and it can control up to 64 units in 60 groups. It can also control up to 12 scenarios. Each unit in a daily system has its own address and it is connected by a two-cone bus cable. These two cones can also be a part of the cable when that provides the main supplies for the lighting unit. This is the light sensor. The sensor measures the amount of light in the room and then send a signal to the control unit. The control is programmed to that it makes sure that equal amount of light everywhere in the room. So that on a cloudy day the light unit are at maximum and on a sunny day it's in a minimum. This is the presence sensor. This type of sensor is a peer sensor and it measured movements in the room. This is to make sure that the light turns on when somebody enters the room and turn off when no activities in the room. This is the ballast for a daily. The daily's logo is printed on the ballast. This ballast needs a phase, neutral and protected earth. It also needs the two cones from the daily bus. All 5 cones can be in the same cable.